And I'd just like to sort of just remind everybody, the ambassador is still there, coordinating the efforts with Veronica to coordinate, the buses out to the west and across the border and onto the relief flights. And the ambassador is still in the embassy doing that, despite the fact that obviously the situation in Kiev is evidently getting more and more critical. Finally, of course, obviously we got to Katowice in Poland. We had organised, Sasha here had organised ground services staff from Erastana airports in Europe to set the station up. It normally takes several months to set up a station, but of course we set it up in 48 hours, and that's how it operated.